In this video we will learn how to approve or reject loan request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Payroll Approval Form. Payroll Type drop-down shows all types of requests that can be viewed. Select Loan from drop-down. In the grid below you can see list of requests. Request type, status and details of requests can be seen in grid. Report for requisition can be viewed or downloaded. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments. Then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.